In this video, I'll show you how you can recycle equipment in Where Winds Meet. Now this can be incredibly important, especially if you want to free up space in your bag, or you would just like to recycle equipment so that you can be able to get the items such as to upgrade your current weapons. Now, in order for you to recycle a weapon or to recycle gear, all you need to do is simply open up the menu and then select bag. From here, you should be able to see all your equipment or all your gear, and all you need to do to recycle it is simply select it and then choose recycle. You'll be told exactly what it is you'll receive after recycling that specific equipment, so just confirm your choice, and once you've done that, you'll have freed up space in your bag and also received the items that you can now use to upgrade your other items that you're currently using. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.